Today, we'll be taking a look at the ideal Russian learning app. Sadly, this app doesn't exist at the moment, but I'll try and outline my vision of it in the next few videos. To master a language, you have to be able to do 4 things: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Of course, if you only want to talk to somebody in Russian, you should focus on speaking and listening. But the ideal Russian learning app should teach all of the 4 skills. To be able to read and understand what is written, the app should first of all teach the Cyrillic alphabet and its pronunciation. To understand the words, you would probably need some kind of an integrated vocabulary learning tool, ideally with spaced repetition. A core understanding of grammatical structures is also necessary. However, I wouldn't focus too much on the grammatical structures in the reading part. You can understand a lot of things just from context. For the writing part, a deeper understanding of grammar and the language in general is required. I would definitely not start off with writing. The app should focus on teaching you how to read, speak, and understand the language first. If you have a solid foundation of these skills, writing will be a lot easier, because you've heard or read a lot of grammatical structures and words. The app would probably face quite a big barrier when trying to teach writing. Who corrects the writing words? You see, for writing, you can't just create exercises with a correct or false answer. To become better at writing, you have to actually write original text on certain topics. The language learning app would probably have to merge with an online tutoring app or something in that direction. The speaking part of the app faces another huge issue. Today's technology isn't advanced enough for you to speak to an AI or a computer voice. You actually have to talk to humans who can correct your pronunciation and so on. So again, in the speaking part, the app would have to merge with some kind of a language body app or build up their own way of getting in touch with native speakers. For the listening part of the app, I would bombard the learner with text. At the end of each text, the learner has to answer some questions to check their understanding. Additionally, if needed, the app shows you the meaning of words or how grammatical structures work. What I just outlined is how I think the best Russian learning app should look like in general. In the next few episodes, we'll dive into these topics in more detail, and I'll take a look at many more aspects of this imaginary app.